Welcome to our video. Today, we will follow the journey of a man seeking to repair a damaged excavator gear with the help of a skilled machinist in Pakistan. Watch this process full of challenges and high-level craftsman SP. Introduction of the man and excavator. Meet the owner of the excavator, a hard-working man who depends on this machine for his livelihood. The excavator is essential for his construction work, and when the gear breaks, it halts all operations. He knows that only a skilled machinist in his town can help fix the gear and get the excavator back to work. Journey to the workshop. Carefully, the owner transports the damaged gear to the machinist's workshop. This journey is filled with hope and anxiety, given the importance of this repair to his livelihood. Along the way, he recalls the many projects the excavator has helped complete, each contributing to his livelihood and the well-being of his family. After some time, he arrives at the workshop and is greeted by the experienced machinist. Initial inspection by the machinist. The machinist begins with a thorough inspection of the damaged gear. With trained eyes, he examines every detail of the damage to determine the necessary steps. The owner anxiously awaits the results of this inspection. The machinist explains that the repair will be challenging, but is confident in his ability to fix it. Discussion of the repair. After the inspection is complete, the machinist explains the damage found and the repair plan to the owner. They discuss the specific techniques and materials needed to restore the gear to its optimal condition. This discussion is crucial to ensure that the owner understands the process and the costs involved in repairing the gear. Disassembling the gear. The machinist then begins to carefully disassemble the damaged gear. Specialized tools are used to take apart the damaged sections. This meticulous process ensures that no further damage is caused to other components. As the gear is disassembled, the owner observes closely, gaining a deeper appreciation for the skill and precision involved. Cleaning and preparation. Once disassembled, the machinist thoroughly cleans each part of the gear. Cleanliness is key in this process, as dirt or residue can affect the performance of the components after repair. The machinist uses various cleaning tools to ensure every part is spotless before moving on to the next stage. The owner assists with cleaning, learning more about the intricacies of gear components. Welding and cutting. Now it's time to repair or replace the damaged parts. The machinist uses precise welding and cutting techniques to ensure each repair is done with the highest quality. Watch as he meticulously repairs cracks and replaces worn-out sections, ensuring the gear returns to optimal condition. The welding sparks fly, illuminating the focused expression on the machinist's face. Processing on the lathe machine. Next, the machinist brings the repaired gear to the lathe machine. Here, he starts processing the gear to ensure the correct size and shape. This process requires high precision and skill to ensure all components fit and function perfectly. The machinist carefully maneuvers the lathe, shaping the gear with expert hands. Final inspection on the lathe machine. After processing is complete, the machinist conducts a final inspection to ensure that the gear has been properly repaired. Every detail is carefully checked to ensure the quality and durability of the final product. The owner watches as the machinist measures and examines the gear, ensuring every part is in perfect condition. Reassembling the gear. With the gear repaired, the machinist begins reassembling the excavator components. This process requires high precision and skill to ensure all parts fit and function perfectly. The machinist meticulously reassembles the parts using measuring tools and other equipment to ensure a perfect fit. The owner assists, holding tools and parts, feeling a sense of accomplishment. Initial testing. Following reassembly, the machinist performs initial testing to ensure that all parts are properly assembled and functioning correctly. This testing is crucial to confirm that the gear is ready for optimal use. The owner starts the engine, and they both listen intently, ensuring everything sounds right. Functional testing. Functional testing is conducted to ensure that the gear performs well under real working conditions. The machinist tests the strength and durability of the gear using the excavator to simulate field conditions. The owner operates the excavator around the workshop, testing its performance and ensuring it operates smoothly.